Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now this is going to be a short video for all you Latest in Beauty newbies. So if you're unaware of what Latest in Beauty is, Latest in Beauty is a UK only monthly subscription box, but also they come out with collaboration boxes and limited edition boxes that you can buy as one-offs. Around a week ago, Latest in Beauty brought out the Sunday Times Style Awards box. Now this was their second drop. The first drop box was a week or two before that. They split it in two so that more people had a chance of getting the products they really wanted. Now with each box you could choose 6 products and it'll cost you £30 and the value comes to around £150 depending on obviously what you go for. When the first style box was released a couple of weeks ago, I missed it. I was late. I completely forgot about the timing. I think they launched it around 7 AM on a Sunday morning. Oh yeah, fast asleep, completely forgot about it. So they changed things then for their second drop, but they released it at 10 AM, which is a little bit easier for me anyway. Missed out on the first box because by the time I could get onto the website there's a few issues because the website was crashed. By the time I got on there, a lot of the items that I wanted had gone, so I left it. So then when this box came around, I was like, right then, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to be up ready. Well, a few days before, Latest in Beauty got in touch with me and they offered to give me a code to be able to get this box for free, which I'm really grateful for. So it meant I still had to sign into my account. I still had to get there at 10 AM in the morning if I wanted really great products, but I had this code, so I had this box for free. So I managed to do it and I got a box. Now, if you didn't already know, I'm on Latest in Beauty's PR list. So they send me their subscription boxes and any of the limited edition collection boxes for me to show you and tell you all about it on my channel. They didn't tell me I had to show this to you. They didn't tell me I had to promote this one to you. They just gave me a code and yeah, so I thought I would do a little video just to let you know that Latest in Beauty do these type of boxes and it's worth signing up to their website, regardless of if you sign up to their monthly subscription box, but create an account so that you're in the loop, so that you get the newsletters, so when any of their collection boxes come out you will know in advance, and if it's a box for you, great, but if not, then you don't have to buy it. So yeah, so let's get on to opening this up and showing you what I chose. There's a little card inside and there's a code in here to have your first subscription box for £7.50, a 6 product subscription box. So I'll put all links and everything related to Latest in Beauty down in the comments, so you're welcome to take a look if you're interested. Got some more leaflets. This relates to a product I'd chosen. And then we've got the Sunday Times Style Awards leaflet then. Does this open up? No. For the third year, we're partnering with Latest in Beauty to give you the chance to road test some of our Style Beauty Awards 2020 contenders. The Sunday Times Style Beauty team have handpicked this year's shortlisted products and we hope you love them as much as we do. Our awards are voted for by the nation, so it's up to you to decide who wins. There's more. We're giving away beauty prizes worth more than £70,000, including a holiday for 2 to the Maldives. So once you've tried and tested your selected nominees, don't forget to vote for your favourites at sundaytimes.co.uk/Style Beauty Awards to be entered into the prize draw. So I had a look on the website before I did this video, and even though these products unfortunately you can't get, I think you might be able to get one of them, but there is still a lot of products on there. But in order to get like the well-known big sizes, expensive products, you need to be online as soon as it goes live. And there was a bit of a delay as well. When I got this box, I think I was online for about half an hour and then I managed to get into the website and I was chatting amongst people on my Facebook group because we were all doing it, and yeah, eventually then it came through. But yeah, this is more of a look what Latest in Beauty do. Sneak peek. So the first item then is one of my favourite setting sprays. This is amazing. It's Urban Decay and it's All Nighter. And this is a long-lasting makeup setting spray, up to 16-hour wear, lightweight, temperature control technology, and it's 118 mils. Now, I haven't had a large one for years. I always get the mini ones, so I got a full-size version. This is amazing. Really good, especially in hot weather. If you like wearing makeup in the summer, or say if you're on holiday, or going out for a meal in the evening or something when it's really hot, then plastering your face in this guarantees that your makeup will stay put. So it is brilliant, really good. I only tend to use it if I'm going out for the day and I want my makeup to last really well, or if I'm going out for the night, or if I'm on holiday or something like that. I tend to wear Max Prep and Prime with a gold lip one generally. That's what I like to wear because I like to have like a dewy face. I'm so chuffed, really chuffed. So the next item is Elizabeth Arden. This is the 8-hour cream, and this is the original 8-hour cream skin protectant and 50 mils. Woo. And it says here, this legendary skincare classic works wonders to moisturise and protect anytime, any way you choose. Shape brows, revitalise shine, soothe dry hands and smooth cuticles and nails. Also for symptoms of chapping, peeling or flaking due to minor burns, sunburn, wind burn, scrapes, abrasions or cracked lips. It's a wonder cream. So that's what I chose there. Next I got a product by The Body Shop, and this is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. 75 mils there. Oh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that is lovely. What's it smell of? Oh, I don't know. It smells, is it gonna dribble? No, it's not. It smells really, really lovely. Oh, that is stunning. That is lovely. But will it be nice on my face? I'm not too sure. But I just thought, oh, glow mask. Glow mask. I'm all about the glow. And it's a purifying glow mask. So yes, I'm chuffed for that. Next I went for a brand that I really, really love. Well, one of the products anyway, and I've been using it for about 2 years. It's Bebe London, and I use their Brow Build Gel, and oh, I just love it. It's an amazing, amazing product. So this is a clear brow gloss. Never tried this. I don't think I've tried anything else by Bebe London before. I had a little sample of the Brow Build Gel in a Look Fantastic box about 2 years ago. Colour way too dark, but I absolutely loved the way it shaped my brows. Brilliant product. So then I went and bought the lighter one then. Oh, that is super tiny. I wasn't expecting it to be that small. Look how small that brush is. But yeah, I suppose that's good at getting into smaller brows maybe. Shorter, smaller. Shorter. But yeah, I use brow gel, so I thought I'd give that a go. Next I got a lipstick by Lisa Eldridge, and I was quite excited about this. I love watching her YouTube videos. I think she's an amazing, amazing makeup artist. And this is True Velvet Lip Colour, and it's in shade Velvet Ribbon. Oh my word, look at that! It literally looks like velvet. Look at that shade. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Definitely a shade for me, but look here, but the outside just looks like velvet. Wow, I've never seen anything like that. That is so cool. I love the packaging as well, it's magnetic. Oh, I'm impressed, really impressed with this. So I got a lipstick, and then lastly I got a pair of magnetic eyelashes. So it's an eyeliner and lashes in one. So you can see there's the eyeliner. So you're supposed to apply 3 coats to your lids. If I show you there, you might be able to see. And then you're supposed to attach the lashes. So I'm really, really intrigued about how these work. I have tried magnetic lashes before, and they are quite tricky. They are really, really tricky. They're okay once you get them on and everything, they're fine, they last well, but they are quite tricky to get it on properly and for them to look like natural-ish then. But I love these. These are my perfect shaped eyelashes. I absolutely love them. Apparently there's 15 wears here, and it's see how to videos online by Eylure. So yeah, so those are all the 6 products that I chose in this box. I'm really grateful to Latest in Beauty for sending me the codes that I was able to get a box this time. And yeah, there's some really lovely items here. So just a short video just to let you know, if you never heard of Latest in Beauty before, or if you didn't know what their collection boxes are, etc., then yeah, I hope you found it informative. All links and everything as always will be listed down below in the description. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.